Okay, it's working. Is my voice loud enough? Seems like it. Okay, perfect. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I was just looking at this panel. So now, last stream, I got not stuck, but I ended at the script, execute command list. Yes, yes, yes. Decompiling. And I need to advertise on the correct channels. So part 5. And let's do and more TRG work. To 100 people. Yeah. Sending to offline people doesn't really make sense. Because, you know, they're asleep. Should be yes. Let's just say yes. And perfect. So these are the arguments. So if it's a discal, if it's a discal, yeah, I need to be aware. So what I'll do this stream is work on something interesting. I still need to think about how to call it. So basically, if it's a discal, I need to add the argument ADX. That's what I need to do. So if declaration type equals to discal, then arguments equals to arguments until 1 plus it's 2, so it's void star. Yeah, not a fan of the star on the left. I usually put the star on the right, but oh god, like I'm so inconsistent with naming my types. Well, that's because usually it's a pointer, it goes on the right, whatever. Now I'm doing it like this, so arguments 1 to the end. So let's see how does it change. Does it change anything? Yes. So look, ADX, perfect. Now, so when I write them out, I want to write them sorted. So all the mesh ones, spool ones, camera ones are all together. And for that, I need to use the name. So I'll create a tuple. Yeah, a tuple with all the function names. And with that, so no, it's a list of tuples. On the left, I'll put the function name. That will be the sort key, and on the right, it will be the function output, all the arguments and such. So, looking at the type, here PSX, let's open this. So yes, it's a void. Oh look, this is how great this is. So if everything looks like this, it's great. Because I can just call these functions. So I don't need to call I don't need to return to the original. I just need to do a return. But okay. Okay, let me think. I just copy this from here. So it's type, declaration type, name, arguments, all pumped up. Say, then the difference it's at the last line, whether it's a name or yeah. Come on, dude. So res string equals this. Come on, main. So does it keep the new lines? No, I've tried this last string, but I don't remember. Yes. So yes, it does keep the new lines. So there's the address, return, fished. Wait, I have this typo for a long time. Jesus Christ. Finished. So yeah. Alright. All good. Looks like I have a viewer. Can I see who's the viewer? Who's in chat? And another Twitch TV viewer. I don't know if it's a bot. Most definitely is, but so here implementation name and the address. So I can just go format name address. Yes. What? We didn't change anything. Oh, it changed on the comment. Why does it still say fished? Kinda confused. Oh, great. What's the problem, my dude? Key error type def. There was a key error. It's a key error. Well, he didn't find the. It's not name. What? It's name. What the hell? So if I just call it name. Tuple indexed out of range. It doesn't. If I just put name twice, does it? Bitches about it. What the fuck? Yeah, I can't understand what's the problem. Format. What? Format key error. Oh, I know what's the problem. Jesus Christ. Okay. That's some bad errors. Jesus Christ. Legit bad errors. Input tools kill everything in box. Great. So your pointer. So now here I put the type. Put the func type. You go up, up, up. There's the func type. So I need a func type. I need a declaration type. Then I need a name again. I need a func type. And here I need a declaration type. No, fuck off. Right here. Declaration type. And great. Good old Python in a box. Yeah, looks great. Looks great. Hey, Chief, this looks great. Yeah, that looks great. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, shit, I have two names, and that will be the address. So let's see if the address is in a good format. I think it's decimal. Yeah, it's decimal. We're into X string Python. I think it's Exifier X. It's X. Of course, it's X. X. So implements X. Says first see these, then look at the other. I don't need the L. So the X address, yeah, I'm not proud of this, but X address equals address, right? So let's just replace the L with nothing, and just do upper, replace X, wait, X. Okay, great. I know this is not good, but oh well. Yes. So yeah, looks good. I need to also replace there. So it will be the next one. And X address. Great. And I think this is the most I can do now. Let's see. Oh, great, great. So if I go here, is it kill? Yes, it's kill everything in box. Greatest thing ever. So since it's kill everything in box, now I can add new return. So here I do if func type different than void, then I can do it's different. I can do res string. I can add new line. Yeah, there's a new line. Add return space, and then oh wait, I forgot the arguments. Fuck. How will I put the arguments there? String arguments. Okay. Okay, so I'll just join with commas the results of the internal map, which is lambda x join x, and that's the arguments. For each entry, it will join them, then join them with that. So the string arguments goes after func type. Wait, can't be first the name. That's completely wrong. Oh yeah, no, forgot that part over there. That's interesting name. Good rush. type declaration name. Now I'll just put here the arguments, those string arguments. Now just quietly put them here. See? Yes. Hey, it's looking great. Even the ones without arguments. It's looking great. Is Masty little like this? Yes, it is. Oh, great. Now I just need to put them here too. So declaration type. String arguments. Yeah, exactly. Then I have the return right there. So let me add the /t. So if it's void, it shouldn't have return exactly like there. Then I want to do res string plus equal is format. So it's the function. What I'll do is call char, and the arguments are the string arguments. No, it's just the second part. Name arguments, and it should be done. So name arguments, it's easy, just the second part, which is joined by commas. So I want to join them by commas. So join, and I'll only get the second ones. I'll just do lambda x1 out of so arguments. Yeah, I think this will work. Let's see. Mass renamer, lookup string, forward. So there is a problem, right? Print arguments. So let's see. I think it's with empty arguments. Yeah, exactly. So you can't dereference empty arguments. There. So here. So name arguments equals nothing if arguments. So the very first as a length bigger than 0, then do this, else don't. And I think this will solve all the problems in the world. Wait, I got the wrong thing. Maybe actually too. Oh, scheiße. I need to get the last one. Yeah, I was supposed to do the type merger. God damn it. Having unsigned in 16 is not a great thing. So unsigned defy. So I'll call this merge unsigned. So for the current entry, so I have the 3 of them. So if length of entry it's equal or smaller to just return entry, else if entry 0 starts, no, entry 0, it's unsigned, and entry 1 ends with _t, then we can return a new list. List will be, so the first entry will be u plus entry 1, the second will be entry minus 1. Now this only works with 3, but so if length entry bigger than 3, no, I'll just do it the big man. Third length entry plus 3. Okay, great shit. So now I can just do arguments equal lists map lambda x. No, I don't need to do lambda x. Margin signed arguments, and let's see how does it go. Can only join an iterable. What? So string arguments, it's not iterable. Look, it worked there. Can only join an iterable. So apparently on string arguments, probably I messed up something. So I'll just put here before, and here's the after. I probably messed up something. I think I messed up right there. Did I put it's right there, return. Oh, so but there's no such thing as int. There's no such thing as int 8. Oof. This sucks balls, but yeah, I do understand what's the problem. Return entry, but there's always the so if it's int and it ends with a number, Python check if okay, I can do is digit. Okay. God, this is not good. I'll just do it here, like doesn't even have the T's. That annoys me like 20 times more. Oh, I'm doing that up there. Like, what the fuck? I'm not doing. Leaf. Okay, great. Now I won't have these problems. Alright? Return as huge tab, which is weird, but yeah, I think this is practically done. Finally, Mario. Yeah, I've been a little away. And let's just clear this. So, what is preventing me from using this right now? It's a little ugly, the output. I don't know. Are these four space? Oh god, these are four spaces. Oof, I can't live with that. I can. I probably can live with that since that's what Visual Studio is doing. I'll just probably do that. One, two, three, four. Else res string plus equal. Right, or I can just be smart and not do the comparison. Which is just add a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this way I can just add return. Great. Now if I do this, yes, whatever. Looks great. So they look great. Now it's time to sort them by name. So where I'll return is name and res string. So that can be sorted. So I'll return name plus and the res string. Great. For calling functions, I do have the name, but so do I need it there? No, I don't. I don't need to return this. I'll just return the string. So result forwarders equals this. So result forwarders, I'll just append. So the first thing is the call function name to address. Okay. Then forwarder generator, first line, call the address. Yeah, like that. I then need to open a file. I don't know if it's my internet, bad frames, dropping. It's buffering a lot. Like I didn't drop any frame until now. Like recently I changed the encoder. So output, so stream. I changed it to be, where is it? Output. So yeah, I changed it to be x20 x2064 no 264. It was on NVENC. The quality is a little better. So yeah, if your connection is not amazing, you might suffer. And as you can see, Amazon's transcoder services are kind of shit. They don't allow other resolution. So if for some reason your connection is a little more peaky, I can see why is it failing. So now I'll just steal code from myself. So from this project over here, deck to struct. It's another IDA project that I've done. So where's the file? So it asks for a file, but I don't know where. Oh, it's right here. Ask file. Okay. So yeah, it asks for a file path. So yeah. So this is the thing that I'll need to use. So result forwarders, I'll sort, and the key will be lambda x0 that we'll just sort by default order, no problem. Then I'll just do file path and I'll just save it as a C file. I also need to generate the headers. Right. Fuck. How am I gonna generate the header? I can just copy that. that part over. Yeah, I'll just copy that over there. Output file. So what I'm saying here is that I need the header for the header file, and yeah, probably I don't need that. I just need to name it like A, so it will create the A.C and the A.H, or should I split that? No, I think it should be the same file. It's 20 times easier. So the header will be the res string. I know this is walking a little backwards, just producing everything and then, but whatever. 0, 1, 2, 2. Can just replace this with nothing, and okay. Or should the header be? Yeah, I think I can generate the header later. Yeah, I think I can generate the headers later, so it's not something that should be done there. Let's see if this asks for the path as expected. It does ask for the path. So Activision, Spiderman, and I check the file name. No, it's not ask file. Ask file. Fuck. Shit. So the first parameter. So one is to export. Okay. So I was asking myself whether I should just change that 0 to 1. Yes, indeed, I need to do that. So if I do this, and yes, now it's saved, as you can see. So it only allows me to save as C. Great. That is great. And so everything is sorted. I think it is sorted. And with open file path as F for entry in result forwarders, F write entry 1. After that, I think it's done. And where should I save it? I should save where's the source code. First of all, let me just save it on desktop because, you know, it's easier to find it. Forwarders. Oh. Yeah, forwarders. Okay. No such file. Oh, fucking retarded. It's, I forgot the W here. Yes. For. I'll just call it for. I don't know why it's printing that. Called it for. Oh, it got everything right. Just close these things. Shit, they have no space between them, but that's not a big problem. So hey, actually looks good. So it's all my work but done by a machine. It's great. So if I just do here right line, it will at least have a line between. So let's see if it has a line between. Yes. So for C, for, come on. File is no, yeah, it has no, fuck. Wait, file is no attribute, right line. File has no attributes. I don't know what's going on. There's no right line. Fuck, no, there's no right line. It's okay, it's okay. Just doing a string append. Problem is that strings are immutable, so this code is extremely inefficient. But who cares? Dude, fucking hell, I forgot to remove the faulty part. Yes. Just do it here. Okay, great. Yes. Oh, much better. So now I just need the others, which is always the third one, and I just need to replace the last thing with semicolon. Great. So backgrounds, clear textures. Yeah, I can move them to the necessary files. Okay. And so I'll just need to generate the headers. Headers should be generated by, I can get fancy here. So I can just do this, result forwarders, great. Now lambda x. Okay, great. X split 0 1 2. So split new lines and get this second one, not the second, the third one, and replace this shit over here with this, and print headers. Let's see if it does better. Tuple. Oh yeah. I forgot the most important thing. You're iterating on the text, not on the key. So it does look good. Sure does look good. So I'll do here for entry in headers. For entry f right entry. And then at the end I'll just do f right new line between these two, some proper social distance. Great. Yes, I do. So here I have what the I can remove that. It's not needed at all. So Python is so versatile. I mean, so permissive that it allows to do this crazy shit. Which is crazy, but yeah. So string LWR, is it even called? It's called there, so I'll just keep it. There are some incredible goofs. Never seen such a big file. This can go straight to set camera. It's all these calls. So let's just focus on that now. So the forwarders are done, and let's keep working on this. So let's see. Comes dot, and here comes the dot h. These won't be permanent files though. It just exists here to fill the purpose of having a placeholder for these functions while they are not moved to their the correct places. So what? Well, these team features can just fuck off because they don't help anything at all. Legitimately, you're just annoying. Great. Oh no, int16t is undefined. Oh no. So, if not def forwarders h, and if define oh no, include std int. And include Windows H, include either. Come on, dude. Oh fuck, I forgot the most important thing about this. Oh. These are not these calls anymore. Forgot the most important thing the script should be doing. How could I forget? There's that there. So now declaration type. So if declaration type equals this call, then declaration type is now equal to fast call. Come on. This is so easy and I messed up. Yes, I'll ignore you. Great. Wait, it still says this code. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with this? Wait, there's a huge print that I need to remove. Not that, yeah, the headers one. But shit, I'm trying to understand what's failing here. Not failing. Why is this conversion being ignored? Do I have it? Oh fuck. Are you serious? That's like the opposite of the most common mistake in C. In C, usually people put 1 equal instead of 2 when comparing. There I put 2, just out of the blue. And where's my friend 4? ftol. Say goodbye to your little friends. You too. Everything is Gucci. Now, just copy everything. It's back in place. Don't worry. Well, everything worked fine. Expected. No, you didn't. No, you didn't expect shit. Good forwarders. Oh shit. It's all good, it's all good. Can still fix it. I need to remove some of the things here. So NW. Example this one. I'm your boy. Just yeah, let's just be friends. I think what's the name of it? C item. I think I even called it new. Just call it new. It's more friendly. Okay. So problem with the forwarders. Any? Can just go away. So we have sprintf in a part of the code. I don't know where. Sprintf. That's here. Execute command list. We're there. Yeah. Not super stoked about that. Whatever. Goodbye. No one likes you. Think everything is Gucci now. So now we need to fight these linking errors. So set camera angle. So we can just delete one by one. So X, Y. Y offset, Z offset, set mode, setting, ignore input timer. Scheiß. Yeah, it doesn't take into account the already defined ones. Well, UCRT, yeah. Remove those bitches. Tree, create object. Utils copy string and init kill all. Thank God this is by no. Okay, I was about to say something but said not to. SFX play, SFX stop. Okay. Red book, red book, exe play. And there's a C beat new. So just go here and remove the exact same functions. So X offset, Gonzo. So Y distance, Gonzo. Y offset, Gonzo. Z offset, Gonzo. Alright, I'm back. Set modes. Where's camera set modes? Right here. C player set our input timer. Utils copy string. Oh, there was in it kill all. Get out of here, nerd. So we don't need exit play too. Right there. We don't need SFX play and stop. And utils copy from string. Oh shit, there's pull. These two can leave. So now does it? Okay, there's still one or two that are wrong. See bit new, exactly. Create object. Come on. And string tokenizer. Hell yeah. This is great. So in TRG, where's TRG, my boy? And just, oh, not this one. And just do mere boy. Just to include forwarders H and oh no, fast call. Oh fuck! Now I've let's go to every single line and just do that. Why does it go to the end? Such a stupid feature. I do dump. And you're doing it. So void. Fuck. I'm. Ah, shit. Um. One. So set Spider. Apparently it has 3 arguments and it only has 2. But oh, I deleted the reference. So v4 is 0. Okay. Okay. No. Where's my boy null sub? Always alone. And it's null sub 3. Null sub 3. I'll just delete you. It's garbage. Doesn't do shit. Let me just comment that. Just see. Like I might figure out what it was, but 4 0. So can I build now? Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I managed to build this shit. Yeah, 50 functions in a single script run. Hell yeah! The dream. I generated 50 functions with just fucking script, and it only took a bunch of hours debugging script. Wait, wait. It is now. So let's see if it doesn't crash for a change. Wait, of course it doesn't crash. It's not calling those functions. Of course it doesn't crash. If it's not using my code, it can't crash with my code. So redirect something to execute command list, and I'll just include TRG. Oh no. So is this the correct address? Yes, here is. Oh no. And it's now working? Is undefined. No, it's not. Oh, it is. Why did I do this? Come on, man. Come up here. Everyone loves you. Come on. Come on. And done. So if you look here, execute command list, it's right there. Did I put the correct address? Doesn't look good. Why is that address so different? Am I printing? Oh, it's going to mine, so this is mine. Okay. I forgot what I do, like for real. Oh yeah, this is the menu that I can't go because it will crash the game. How smart. And leanest, I will select. Fuck. It was just pulling in thug. And it crashed. Where did it crash? So it crashed here. I have no idea what it is. So ECX, it's null. It's null. It's a shame. And it got called from come on, dude. It was my spool PSX that just made it go, just made it explode, apparently. So spool PSX, just jumping to that piece of code. How the fuck is that killing everything? Oof. So is this the correct spool PSX? Let's find out. Yes, it is. What's A2? I don't know. Let's pull 111 this part over here. Great. It still doesn't answer my question. Why is it failing? As much as I like this, I don't really like what's happening. What do other levels work, or is it spool PSX shit? I'm not doing anything with spool PSX. That's what's bugging me. So here it's thug, then it's 0, right? So it's a second call inside spool PSX that fails. So the second call in spool PSX, is it this utils copy string? I guess it is. I guess it is. They are both null, as far as I understood. So I copy 32 characters from the first argument to v33, then v33 is copied to the dummy list. If it's not low graphics, and it's different than Spidey. That's what it's doing, and it is different than Spidey. So as far as I understood, that was the problem. So, but upon retrieving the second argument, then everything goes haywire. Wanna be? Come on. Jesus Christ, this is a bot. How do I ban him? Let's ban him. Oh, he's banned. Perfect. Yeah, God. Love bots. At least it's not Pinda's enlargement that it's selling. Okay. Oh, that's null sub. Oh yeah. So actually it fails on the first one. Jesus Christ. It's 10 times sadder. So it pushes easy eye. That's what is 0. Of course this will fail. Easy eye is 0. I don't know why is it going so so deep in the stack. Okay, it's all good. Indeed, very weird. So it starts by subtracting HC, and we still have the return address. So that goes to 9. Yeah, it's retrieving the second argument. What the fuck is wrong with that? No, it's the first because there's still the return address. That's it. So HC is for stack, then I'm HC. So HC, it's the mod. Yeah. Indeed, there's something fishy going on here. Let's just see. Look, it should be web DOM. It's not web DOM. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'll just remove the breakpoint from here. Just wanted to make sure that. Let's try another level, like the first one. Oh shit, it worked. Until it didn't. So everything works. Like executing command list, node 12. Come on, bitch. Set, restart node 257. Good, set game level. Run cinema 11, spool code module. Black cat, spool in. So this is the level. I think the arguments are backwards. Yeah, they are They are switched up, these arguments. What the fuck? They do be switched. What the fuck? Did I? No, it's how I call them. How are they switched up like that? So as you can see, they are switched up. What the fuck? Is it from TRG? 27. So let's just look for spool N. They are switched up. What the fuck? Switch up the other ones. What is this expecting to happen? What? So confused. Yeah, they are switched up. Look, V4. Wait a moment. How can they be switched up? It's playing tricks on me, bitch. Look, V4. What? There's no V27 now. Oh god, I think it was because of another function that they were switched up. Because it doesn't take 3 arguments. If I take a look at the warnings, I could have caught that before this whole debacle. But I'm too lazy. Yeah, let's just close this shit over here. Great. And leanest. Let's try to load the second level. There's a breakpoint. It's great, it's great. Piece of garbage. Where's the problem? Come on, man. Can't do this to me. Like this. I don't know what's this function. Copy address. Address. What is this? So something or someone messed up. Got called from here. Pointer doesn't point to texture, we will pack it. Whatever. What is this? So it gets called by spool PSX. Great. There's a V5. V5 is equal to V6. And V6 equals to what? It's equal to 0. Fuck. The problem here. So looking at this problem is access violation star, so it's coming from yeah, that's wrong address, so EDI will never be that. Never. So something's up. And I need to figure out what. Come here. Okay. You and me will figure out what's going on. So apparently the function only has one address. 0. Great. Oh, one argument. That's 1, 2. So it looks like it's the slot that it goes into. I don't know. kinda looks like a slot. So it's the situation. So when it tries to go with the 9th slot, and it just fucking goes haywire there. I think it goes haywire because of because of this for shizzle. Source destination. So it's using that. I think I'm not capturing something important here. Okay. This is not important for now. But now it is important. Something I did, like, it's weird, but there's something that caused it to fail. Now it's pull env, motherfucker. Yeah, of course, I'll just pull PSX. Yeah. Alright. So I think I have a problem with my codes because I think I need I can't believe these shits. I need to go back and fix the code. It has some wrong stuff. It's not too much though, because it would have been a shame to do all that work just to throw it all away. If you know what I'm saying. Yeah. It would have been a shame, right? 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 Well, it's a lesson. Either way. Fuck your breakpoint. So, can I do some training and see if it works? Standard time attack. Yes. So you can see that address over there. Yeah, so this is not okay. It's cleaning 1C. It's obviously wrong. It's obviously wrong. And I need to fix it. Yeah, either it's just fucking wrong, I guess. Enviro list is not null. Envir is not null. Actually, it's just one argument. What the f? What? What is the problem with you? What's your problem, mate? Why are you failing? Why are you making me suffer? This is just great. Okay. Second of the function calls like this one. Yeah, let's just name this function so I can understand something about them. Load push offsets. It's here. And 3 parse PSX. It's failing, it's parse PSX. 3 push offsets. Mm-hmm. Zero list length. Out of system memory. If this is zero, it's funny. And it fills here DC model create MS model. Is this model something that already exists? Dreamcast, this model. No, it doesn't seem to exist. Yeah, I think I'll need to stop streaming in a few minutes. I like to fix the problem, but kinda sucks too to understand what's going on here. So if I press F9, it fills here. Go here. Turn this mem set. 562. So synchronize with D. What? No. Yeah, exactly. So EDI is DDX. So it will forgot how. So while they are different, it will copy one to the other. Jump less or equal. ABX is different than 0. It's okay. So where is his EI set? Where's my boy EI? EI. Wait, it's a global offset. What? How can what? Um, how can this even happen? Hmm. So it's right. So it sets FF to there. Okay, whatever. Okay. I need to put a breakpoint here. Wait, I just ignored the exception. Well, I can ignore it until it becomes a problem, real problem. It just loads. Let's just disable this one. Okay. Leanest. Okay, it's enabled. So here I am. And I think it will fail on the very first try. Following dump. Yeah. That code is so fucking wrong that I can't even start to understand why fuck it's putting FFs there. The source and the destination. So so wrong. Like what the fuck? Why is this the compilation so wrong? It's crazy. It's crazy. I wasn't expecting it to be that wrong. Okay. So V85. See, like, where is this getting that idea from? Is it even synchronized? No, it's not. Okay.
Quer dizer que tens que juntar dúvidas. Era o shift ou o command, ou caralho, é outra cena. É de operações. Acho que.
Oh, it moves the. Oh, it's moving the address there. Oh god, yeah. I think that's the buffer. Yeah, the vertex buffer or something like that. So this is correct. So the problem it's the source. It's easy I. And ECX, okay. And does that address belong to
Nice. Já recebeste salário ou ainda?
4E9? 4. No, it's text, of course. It's only readable, as you can see right there. Why is it wrong? So
Pagaram metade do mês. Sem eu trabalhar metade desse mês. Eu só tive a trabalhar para o relatório. Pagaram metade do mês, depois pagaram o mês inteiro e ainda me vão pagar o bónus do estágio. Que é para ir mais vezes assim logo em cima.
why does it think it's effing that those address? Yeah, it's weird. I need to find the ZI in this cesspool. ZI there. There. Oh god, it's. I don't know why does it think it's a mem set like that. So dumb. But whatever. Right here, okay. So where is EZI? So apparently there's a shit ton of EZIs. This one, that one. Yeah, like over here. Okay. Huh. Hmm. Okay. It's weird why it thinks it's. It thinks it's a mem set, which is the thing that really bothers me. Because it shouldn't. First, it thinks it's only like EZI doesn't change, and it thinks it's writing zeros and Fs. So that's super weird. Like legitimately weird. Like, there's nothing that changes between the two, and it's like yeah. You can see like ECX doesn't EZI doesn't change between these two. Why does it? Why does this happen to me? Right there.
Pá, melhor não tipo um dia assim no mercado atualmente, não estou a ver grande coisa que vai buscar. Isso é política, cara. É justo o Dori deve voltar esta semana, coisa assim. Se eu vou voltar, estamos a voltar. Por acaso não, mas eu entrei.
That's the setup over there.
Isso é até dia 18. Dia 18 já estou de férias.
So the first time it is set, it's right there, it's to 0, but it's not relevant. Okay. And yeah, look at this garbage over here. So it's incrementing EZI. And yeah, it's not. What a bitch. Is this even synchronized? So okay, yeah, okay. This is what I care about. So so then it subtracts. Where is that subtraction going on? Okay, ECI. Okay, multiply by 8. Where is that going on? Like, I don't know, but I just decided, fuck that, all of that. I'm not doing it. Which is weird, like, legitimately weird. I think this is probably one of the worst cases of the compilation. Because pseudocode is not helping me and I need to trace this garbage. Either way, it's EAX, and EAX it's var variable 13c. Okay, variable 13c. I don't know what 13. So 13c. So ESP plus 4c. Look, it doesn't even. Why is either stupid like this? Just ignoring one of the components. Here there's 5c, but there's no 4c. Love to have a way of fixing this garbage function. Yeah, I need to fix it some. I think there's some preparation. It's not being done correctly. How is it not being done correctly? There's nothing to fail. I'm just jumping to their code. Probably have some weird problem in the code. Wait, the utils copy string that I'm doing, it's mine, as far as I know, not the game zone. Let's see, utils copy string. Yeah. So there's functions. No, it's all good. Yeah, I'll continue the stream like sometime later. There's something weird going on. Sadly, I couldn't fix the problem that I faced after exporting the function. Yeah, I'll probably just copy and redo execute command lists all over again, because if spool psx it's wrong, there might be other wrong stuff going on there. Yeah, and yeah, let's just go here and yeah, first of all let's just commit my work. PowerShell command line git status git add forward generator. So added forward generator over here, git push. It's done. Then I just need to go to the repository over here. No, not git bash. Git bash sucks. It's garbage. Git status tab. So all .c's and .h's were added. Git commit added all forwards for execute command list. Currently broken. Okay, perfect. Then also do a git push. Okay, so if I go here, yeah, it's been triggered. Started, added all forwards. Oh, I didn't commit that. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, oh wait, let me just update the submodule even with master. Um, okay, I need to fix it next time. Alright, so I'll stop the stream. The code is pushed. So yeah, see you next time.